You can send 10,000 cold emails this week, and every single one of them will look like the 10,000 cold emails your prospect deleted this week. The same hi first name, love what you do, the fake compliments. And here's the part that nobody tells you. The problem is that one human being cannot really send thousands of cold emails personalized on daily basis. So everyone gives up and sends the same copy pasted cold email on daily basis. And because of this, the reply rates die and the whole campaign goes to waste. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 layers cold email personalization I actually use. The layer 1 takes 30 seconds to set up, layer 2 takes 5 minutes, and layer 3 is an AI workflow that researches every single lead, write custom openers for them, and pushes the finished product in Smart Lead. One click, 1,000 leads, and every email looking different. Stick around because the third layer is where people on YouTube mess up, and is the only one that actually moves the reply rates. Quick thing before we start, most cold email personalization advice that you hear is fake. Now let's begin. Layer 1. The lightest layer is dropping data points from your lead list directly into the email. First name, company name, job title, city, whatever is on your sheet. This is the floor. If you're not doing this, your email reads like a flyer. But here's the trap, most people stop here. And stopping here is exactly why their reply rates are 0.5%. Variables alone are not personalization. You need 3 things working together for this layer to even count. I either upload a CSV and Smart Lead automaps first name, last name, company, email, or I use Smart Prospect inside Smart Lead, which lets me search the exact ICP I want and pull those leads into the campaign in one click. No third-party data tool, no CSV gymnastics. Every email I send uses spin tags in the subject, the opener, the CTA, and the sign-off. Spin tags means I write 3 versions at the same time and Smart Lead picks one at random for every lead. So instead of every email starting with hi, some say hey, some say hello, same meaning, different wording on every end. This does 2 things. It keeps the email from looking like a bulk to Google spam filter, and it stops your inbox provider from flagging the campaign because every email is technically unique. Smart Lead has built-in variables for time of day of the week, dynamic future dates. So my email is personalized email which renders as good morning Sarah if it lands on her inbox around, let's say, 9 a.m. and good evening Sarah if it lands around 6 p.m. My CTA is are you free on 2 days from now, which always suggests a date that's 2 days out no matter when the email actually sends. The lead reads it and assumes it. I wrote the email that morning for them with their calendar in mind, but I did not. I set this up once 6 weeks ago. Look at the preview. Different subject, different greetings, different timing of day, different suggested dates, same campaign, one setup. But here's what this layer cannot do. It cannot say anything specific about the prospect's company. The structure is still identical for every lead, and that's the part that actually kills reply rates. Because every prospect has seen this exact structure 5 times this week. So we go up a layer. Now coming to layer 2. Layer 1 was basically template based personalization that you can do inside Smart Lead. You're filling slots in a sentence that's the same for everyone, right? The slots change, the structure does not. If your prospect gets 2 emails on the same day and both starting with good morning Nick, I noticed you're at Harry, they'll know instantly that both were automated. Not because the words are wrong, because the rhythm is identical. So layer 2 is basically research-based personalization. The opening line of every email references something specific that's actually true about the prospect's company. Could be a feature, launch, or any news relevant to the offer. It won't start with a fake compliment like love what you guys are doing at X company. Now, if you want to do this manually, it's gonna take you around 4 minutes per email. You visit the site, you find the angle and you paste it in. Then, finding the right angle, writing the line, pasting it in. 4 minutes multiplies 1,000 leads is basically 67 hours. Nobody has 67 hours. So here's how you can do it in 12 minutes instead for the entire list, by the way. Okay, now coming to layer 3. we used anything to build this. It's free, open source, runs on your own machine. So the whole system runs from one Google Sheet. 3 columns: first name, email, company website. That's the only data workflow needs. I paste the sheet link into the workflow, give the name, give the campaign a name, hit execute. That's the only thing I do manually. Everything after that is automated. Here's how that happens. Step 1, the workflow reads every row from the sheet, one lead at a time. Step 2, for each lead, it visits the company website and scrapes the page, content, what the company does, who they sell to, what problem they say or solve, the headline, the sub-headline, the call to action on the home page. Then the step 3, all of that scraped content goes into Claude with one specific instruction: read this company's homepage. Write one short, specific opening line for a cold email that proves I understand what they do. No compliments, no filler, one sentence. Here's what the AI actually writes. Just watch. For HeyReach, a LinkedIn outreach tool that just hit 13 million in ARR. By the way, a quick shout out to them. Here how it says. Hey Nick, since you guys just hit 13 million in ARR, are you guys running any influencer campaigns yet? We have a pool of 100 relevant influencers generating over 5 million plus views. Happy to share a few use cases. By the way, we recently launched a campaign for Gamma AI that got them over 50 million plus views. Let me know. Cheers and name. Now see, these are not compliments. These are basically observations. Each one reads like a prospect cites. Pick something super specific and relevant for them. Now, step 4. Every lead has a custom site. The workflow doesn't dump it back to the sheet for me to clean up. It pushes everything straight into Smart Lead. The workflow creates the campaign, uploads every lead, and for each lead, it adds a custom personalized line as a variable on the lead record. No CSV export, no reformatting, no copy paste. Step 5. Inside Smart Lead, I open the sequence editor and drop one variable at the top of the email body, as you see here. That variable pulls the unique line for whichever lead the email is being sent to. Every sentence is different. Every opener is researched. Every email reads like I sat down and wrote it for that one person. The whole campaign, from raw lead list to 1,000 sent emails with researched back openers, took me around 14 to 15 minutes of work. 12 of those were the workflows running in the background while I made coffee. Now, here's how you stack the layers. See, this is what most people miss. These 3 layers are not alternatives. You stack them. Every email I send right now has all 3 running at once. The subject line uses pin tags plus the first name. So one prospect sees quick question Sarah, another sees thought of something Mike. The opener is the AI research line that's unique to the company. The next line uses the same time of the day variable, so it greets them as based on when the email lands. The body references their job title and company name from the CSV. The CTA uses pin tags plus this dynamic date variable. So the suggested call date is always 2 days out and the wording rotates. 4 leads, 4 completely different emails, 1 campaign, 1 setup. If a prospect forwards my email to a coworker and the coworker is also on my list, they will see two completely different emails, different subject, different opener, and different CTA with different suggested date. And that's what personalized at scale really means. So here's what we covered. Layer 1, custom variables, pin tags, and time-based variables set up once in Smart Lead. Foundation for everything else. Layer 2, why template-based personalization stops working at scale. The opener has to do something specific or the prospect knows it's mass email. Layer 3, an hidden workflow that scrapes every prospect site, sends it to Claude, gets back a researched backed opener for every single lead that pushes the whole thing into Smart Lead in one click. If you do nothing else from this video, do at least layer 3. The first 2 layers are table stakes in 2026. Layer 3 is the only thing that actually moves your reply rate. If you want to run this exact setup, check the first link in the description where you will find a free Smart Lead account with pin tags, custom variables, the Smart Prospect Lead Research, and the API I use with the N18 workflow for you to download. All of it is there. If you're still not sure if cold email actually works in 2026, the next video on the side of the screen is the only cold email strategy I would run if I was starting from scratch today. Watch that one the next.